Most people in New Zealand think any digital wallet will do the job. But that's where they go wrong. Because in 2026, choosing the wrong wallet can quietly cost you extra fees, weaker rewards, and missed cashback every single month. Here's the truth no one tells you. A digital wallet is not just about paying faster. It's about controlling fees, unlocking rewards, and making every transaction work in your favor. In this video, you'll learn the 10 best digital wallets in New Zealand for 2026, how they actually perform in real life, and which ones help you save the most money depending on how you shop, travel, and pay online. Let's start with one of the most widely used systems, Apple Pay. In New Zealand, it's accepted in most major stores and works smoothly with Face ID or Touch ID. It's fast, secure, and very convenient. But here's the problem. It doesn't give you much in terms of rewards on its own. Now for Android users, Google Pay is the main alternative. It offers similar speed and security, and it integrates well with many local banks. Again, it's great for convenience, but not always the best for saving money. Now here's where it gets interesting. For people who want real financial control, Wise is a major game changer. It allows low-cost international transfers and real exchange rates. This is especially useful if you send money overseas or shop from international websites. Another strong option is Revolut. It combines spending tools, currency exchange, and budgeting features. Many users in New Zealand use it to avoid hidden conversion fees when traveling or shopping online. For everyday online payments, PayPal is still widely used. It's accepted almost everywhere globally, especially on e-commerce sites. But be careful, because fees can add up if you rely on it too heavily. But here's what most people miss. Reward-focused setups like Afterpay are extremely popular in New Zealand. They let you split payments into installments, which helps with budgeting. However, if misused, they can also lead to overspending. Traditional banking apps from ASB, ANZ, and Westpac still play a big role. They are essential for salary deposits, bills, and savings, but they are not always optimized for rewards or international spending. Now let's bring it all together. The smartest users in 2026 don't rely on one wallet. They combine layers. Apple Pay or Google Pay for daily tap payments, Wise or Revolut for international savings, and PayPal or Afterpay for online shopping flexibility. And here's the final insight. The goal is not to pick the most popular wallet. The goal is to build a system that reduces fees, increases rewards, and matches your spending habits. If you found this helpful, hit like, share your wallet setup in the comments, and subscribe for more clear breakdowns that help you make smarter money decisions every day.